Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare these egg bajis or egg bonda, a perfect snack during monsoons and winter. I've prepped up all the ingredients required for this recipe. I've pre-boiled the eggs, peeled it and placed it in the fridge for overnight. Just before preparing this, I've removed it from the fridge. We need very chilled eggs for this recipe. We also require chickpea flour which is sifted and all-purpose flour which is sifted. For the batter, I'll be using chili powder, Asafoetida, Carom Seeds and cooking soda, that is soda by cup. For the egg, I'll be using equal amounts of Pav Bhaji and Chaat Masala combined together. Now I'll be heating oil on a very low to medium flame for frying. We need hot oil for the batter. So place this on the lowest setting as possible and bring it to temperature. I'll start preparing the batter. Before preparing the batter, make sure you sift the all-purpose flour and chickpea flour twice and then you add it to a mixing bowl. Now to the flour, I've added chili powder, carom seed powder, salt, asafoetida, soda bicarb and hot oil, 2 tablespoons of hot oil. I'll be combining the flour and all the ingredients first. Gradually I'll add water little by little and I'll make sure I form a smooth batter. Now the batter is formed. I'm just going to dip my finger and see if the batter is coating my finger. If it coats my finger, the batter is ready. So at this point the batter has rested for 10 minutes. I'm going to start prepping the eggs. I'm going to cut the eggs in half. And a very small amount of the masala is what I'm going to sprinkle on the eggs. If the masala is not sticking to the eggs, make sure you add a little bit of water. That's not an issue. Because the Pav Bhaji masala is very strong and the chaat masala is also very strong. So you add a very small amount of this masala on the eggs. So once I've applied the masala powder on the egg, I'm just going to dip it in the batter and start frying it. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. I've got a separate playlist on YouTube where I've got all these bhajis, bondas, pakoras and vadas. I'll list the playlist also in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to the playlist. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've dipped the egg and I'm shaking off all that excess batter. And I've gently dropped it in the hot oil. Egg has a tendency, once it is fried in hot oil, it might tend to splutter. So be very careful when you're doing this and use a deep wok when you're frying such items. So now I've placed this on medium flame and frying the eggs. So I fry the eggs for 2 minutes on each side or until the batter has cooked. We don't want the eggs to cook, we want only the batter to cook. So the batter is starting to turn light golden brown in color. I kept constantly flipping it because I did not want the egg to splutter. These are all street food snacks and it pairs well with chai. Now you can see that egg is starting to splutter. At this point I just drained it from the hot oil and I reserved it on a tissue paper. I'm going to serve this as hot as possible. So my egg bhajis or bonda is ready. It's very simple to prepare and a perfect starter. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.